Hi, Dr. Caney Demars here at the Longmont Hearing and Tinnitus Center, here today to talk about clean-in checks on your devices. We recommend coming in on a quarterly basis to have your devices checked. You can think of this similarly to getting the oil changed on your car, something that you do on a routine basis to maintain the functionality and make sure that it's in good working order. So what do we do at a clean-in check appointment? Well, we do a lot. We replace all the parts and pieces, so replace your domes, your wax guards, your retention tails, if that is something that you have. We will vacuum out the microphone ports as well as the receiver ports. We will clean out the battery door compartments. We have recently begun using what's called the Redux moisture management system. It is a heavy-duty moisture management system that helps to suck any moisture out of the devices. We'll also take a listen and make sure that they're sounding good. And if they're not sounding good, we'll try to identify what's going on and make recommendations for repair. So this helps to keep your devices in good working order, increases the longevity of their life. If you have a service plan, this is an included benefit. If you don't know what a service plan is or don't have one, I would be so happy to talk to you about it. Or you can come in on a pay-per-visit basis. That's fine too. We do have what's called the Clean-in Check Club, where if you are not on our service plan, but you commit to coming in regularly on that quarterly basis, we give you a discount on the cost. So, would love to talk to you about Clean-in Check options, or I will see you at your next Clean-in Check.